Have you ever pondered the best way to teach autistic kids to write? Today we're journeying into the realm of a time-honored technique, hand-over-hand writing. This method, as simple as it sounds, involves positioning your hand over your student's hand, guiding them through the intricate dance of penmanship. Now let's break this down into digestible steps. Begin by crafting a serene, distraction-free environment for your student. Comfort is key, and a calm setting fosters a productive learning atmosphere. Once settled, place your hand gently over the students, guiding their fingers to clutch the writing instrument with ease. Next, initiate with simple strokes. Trace lines that embody directions like up, down, in, out, across, and around. Gradually, as your student familiarizes themselves with these movements, introduce them to the art of forming basic letters, numbers, and shapes, always using directive or prepositional words. Remember, hand over hand isn't about making your student a passive participant in their learning. It's about encouraging active engagement, stimulating their hands to move and write as you guide them. Picture teaching a child to ride a bike. You provide the tools, walk them through the process, and eventually you let them go. The same principle applies to hand over hand writing. Equip your student with the necessary tools, be it a pencil gripper, or any other writing aid. Then place your hand over theirs, giving them a gentle nudge to start moving their hand or fingers to trace or write the task at hand. Make sure they're focused on the task as you direct their hand up, down, across, in, out, or in a circle to form the required letter, number, or shape. Never forget to celebrate every small achievement the student makes. Provide encouragement and incentives throughout the process. As they grow more comfortable, taper your physical support. Gently release their hand when they follow instructions, but keep your hand hovering nearby, assuring them of your presence. The key is to remember that it's the student who moves their hand, not you. Your role is to give little nudges in the right direction when they start moving their hands or when they're unsure. If a task proves too challenging, assist them through it and then move on to something they can achieve with joy. Consistency is key. Keep using this method regularly, adapting and adjusting as needed. Remember, teaching isn't about reaching a destination, it's about the journey. And with the hand-over-hand technique, we're hoping to make the journey smoother for students with autism. Keep patience at the forefront, remain consistent, and watch as your students' writing skills blossom. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.